Burns!
If it's bolted on the bottom, you get to do it.
No.
I'm not on the ground today.
You are on the ground today.
Nope.
You like it on
I
the ground.
protest.
Is this a peaceful protest?
Protest too much.
Like, why would you?
Burnsy's having a moment.
No.
Hey, you got the fan off. That was a pain in the ass because you and I were trying to do that earlier.
Yeah.
All right.
No, that's bolted on the radiator.
Yes.
Why would this be bolted to the frame?
Because that's how they do it.
No, it's not.
No, it's not. No. Yeah. All right, so we got to get this out. And it looks like it was repaired in 97.
Why do you say 97? Do you have insider information that you're not telling us?
It's etched on it, genius.
Where?
Right
Oh,
here.
that would be insider information.
There's a
I'm
date.
not there.
8/19 of 97.
Or maybe 92, just like that one?
That
Or
could
maybe
be-
that is supposed to
Maybe
be.
it is. No, that's a 7. Look at, they scratched that in. That probably is a 7. Okay,
Okay.
so it was done in 97, not 92. But still, that's 27 years ago. So, it's had a good long run.
Could you stop making me feel older than what I already am?
You are just.
You are grandpappy.
Are you grandpa?
Yeah, I'm grandpa.
How old is your oldest?
My oldest grandchild?
Yeah.
20.
His family blows loads early.
Guess so.
We all started early. You gotta remember,
Really?
my youngest child
I'd
is
say.
31. My
Anyway.
oldest grandchild is 20.
Ooh, this is a good picture of Scotty. He looks like he's going to fly
I'm
away.
so glad I waited.
Fly me
Now,
to
here's the bitch.
moon.
How old do you
Oh,
think my
yeah.
oldest child is?
What did we hit? 40 something. 40.
Be 41 this year.
Okay. And is it his child that's.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm so blessed.
He had kids when he was 20.
I'm
That's
blessed.
not that bad. I mean, he's a great dad.
No,
I got very lucky. My kids
I'm not saying.
did real good.
You know what I was doing at 20?
Probably the same thing. Oh, trying to find a... Oh, wait, I did that.
I know what we were doing when we were
Multiple
20.
times.
Exactly.
Go crack some beers. Anyway, and jumping
No,
Camaros
what's
across
messed
haystack.
up is every single one of my children was born with liquor.
Oh, that makes sense.
Not beer,
That's where babies are made.
liquor.
Liquor license?
Oh, I did liquor license, let me tell you.
Liquor in the front, poker in the rear. Anyway, all right, so getting closer on getting the radiator out. You got the hoses off, I see.
You're a hoe.
Yeah, well, you know.
I'm telling on you.
Takes one to know one. Wow. And, well, that's going to come out. And then we can pull off the water pump and the...
What do we got, guys?
I'm pulling out.
That's a shock,
I don't pull out.
which is surprising you don't have any children yet.
My shit doesn't swim.
No, yours swims right into a wall going left.
Exactly. There's one more bolt. No, there isn't.
No. Just stuck in the rubber.
Stuck in the rubber. That's something I haven't done either.
What, wore one or used one?
Both.
There you go.
Been a long time. Radiator's out. Seen better day. Ooh. That's scary. That fan clutch. I bet you that thing, because he said the bearing was going out.
It's been smacking.
I bet you it's been rubbing. Look at that. All right. So here it is. Ready for Steven to pick it up.
Bag and tagging.
He's going to take it to Gary. I think he just actually texted me. And he was asking what about maybe putting an aluminum radiator in. I go, well, you're the one, if you want to keep it original, take it to Gary. If you don't really care and you want it to be a little better, get the nice aluminum from Champion. All right, so here we go.